Hey guys, so today this is going to be a little different video for you. We're a small YouTube channel. Even at the size we are, we've had several companies reach out to us and want to do like an affiliate program or a partnership with us. We've never really done that before. A group called Mytee, they wanted us to send us some products to review, and then they wanted us to open the box a certain way and do all this stuff, and then they would give us those products. Not really being familiar with doing that, I wasn't comfortable with those folks sending me free products and then agree to put them on there. So we did a little bit different. I had Luke, he's my youngest son, just make an order with these people. We used our own money. We haven't set up this affiliate program. I bought $300 worth of stuff with tax and everything. We're looking at $380 worth of stuff. And I'm gonna go over what we bought. We're gonna use it for 6 months, and then we're gonna come back and give you a fair assessment of it. And if we like it and it's something that we can recommend to you, then we'll set up the affiliate link and we'll do all those things. But this way, we're not bound by any kind of affiliate program, and we can just tell you exactly what we think. So we're just gonna run through right quick and show you the stuff that we use and how we use it in our everyday business. So the first thing we bought was this transport chain. And so we bought 2 of them. Now you guys have seen in our videos, we've got a Landau trailer. It's got a lot of tie down points on it. And so we bought this transport chain. It's G70 rated. It has the G70 rating there. Has the G70 ratings on the links. It would pass the DOT for a G70 chain, and if you're in the transport business, you know. We paid $48 for both chains. If we'd have bought both of these chains from Zips, we would have paid $100. It's a lot cheaper than the Zips. We're gonna put them on the trailer. The Zips chains have a tag, so we'll know, but I'm gonna probably spray these red and put them on both of the Landau trailers, and we'll put these in the first position and we'll get them tested and used. And after they use them, if they like them, we'll put them on the line truck and we'll pull twice the working load. I can pull 10,000, 12,000 on them easy, make sure they don't break compared to the Zips, and we'll see how they go. They look just like the other ones. So the next thing we purchased, he got us some of these heavy straps. Has a working load limit, it says right here on it, 6670. We call these 4-inch straps, I guess that's what they are. And we use these to tie down stuff. You can see it has a nice chain. Once again, the G70 hardware, the G70 chain, nice heavy strap. It feels nice. The Ratchet, it's a bad day when you use one of these. Another neat thing about these things is you can get a 2x4 in them to help you get leverage. I won't just tell you from just working with it. Feels pretty nice, it's positive. Let's see here. Locks open nice. We get the free, yep, the free wheel's good. Has a real positive lockout. The hardware seems nice. Seems pretty solid. Re-engages, so, that's pretty cool. Like I said, we're gonna put these in the trucks right along beside this gear, and Luke picked this stuff because that's what we use. 30-foot orange ratchet strap with chains. We bought 2 of those guys. They were $90, $89.98. 2 of them from Zips would cost you $150. So again, $60 savings, so that's pretty significant. All right, the next thing we got was a load binder. One thing you have to look, and Luke showed me this and I didn't realize it, you can get a load binder like this and the working load and the rating, and it'll make the G70 number for like 5/16, but it won't make it for the 3/8. But this has the G70 and the 80 rating, so it makes the G70 for the heavier size chain and the lighter size chain. So as you know, you can use the light chain. So we got 2 of those guys. Now these are very similar in looks to what we have on our trailer. So I'm gonna put these in the top 2 positions so they get used first. And we'll ask the guys after 6 months if there's any difference in the quality of chain binders. 2 of them for $68. If you bought them from Zips, it'd be $114. They shipped it in 3 orders. We made the order about 2 to 3 weeks ago. All the boxes were very similar to this, pretty nicely packed. So like I said, we were trying to just buy typical kinds of stuff. So here, it's just your standard 2-inch ratchet binder with hooks. This is in the case, if you know, you know. Oh, it has a nice thumb latch. That's one thing I do like, is if you want to reach in there and free that thing up, you can do it with your thumb and pull on it. You don't have to crank it all the way open, so that works nice. Feels good, has the positive lock back. Straps feel good, the hardware feels good. I mean, that seems like a nice A nice deal. Again, this is the kind of stuff that we use every day, like on our trucks. So we got 5 of those guys, ratchet straps with wire hooks, $44. And if we'd have bought those from Zips, we'd have paid $75. These are the drive pins. If you know what this is, it's like a link in a chain, and then you put the link back together, and then you drive that pin in there to hold it. Heavy duty hammer lock safeties, coupling link, we got 2 of them, and they were $18. I didn't look up the price on those. I know probably about half of what you pay from them. This is how you attach another chain, you know, like 2 chain links together or a chain to a hook. We use them on some of our pickup trucks, some of the bigger ones, to make a nice easy tow hook point for the safety hooks. These basket webs, let's pop one of these open and see what they look like. Looks pretty nice, feels nice. You can feel the heavy rope inside. We got 2 of those. Sling vertical, 6700 choker, $25 for those 2 guys. That from Zips, $100. So those are really significantly cheaper. All right guys, so this might be a little bit of a different video, but if you're interested in any of these products that you just saw, go ahead and subscribe. We're trying to be transparent in the way that we do this. We purchased all this ourselves, and if these products hold up and you subscribe, come back in about 6 months and we'll give us, you know, our honest opinion of how this stuff compares to Zips. I think they're probably the largest. We're not sponsored by anybody. If it holds up and it works, we'll get you an affiliate code. They said they would give you guys a code and a discount and all that, but you know, before we tell you that it's worth it, we want to know that it's worth it. So again, thanks for watching.